Come together to witness the marriage of Henry, Charles, Albert, David, and Rachel Meghan.
I caught it just in
to pray
time.
for God's blessing on them, to share their joy, and to celebrate their love. Marriage is a gift of God in creation, through which husband and wife may know the grace of God. It is given that as man and woman grow together in love and trust, they shall be united with one another in heart, body, and mind, as Christ is united with his bride, the church.
Hi everyone, welcome back to SophisticatedK. Today is a beautiful day. It's Saturday. Is it the 19th of May? 19th of May. I've been here officially for a month. Oh, the time has flown. In fact, no, I think it went a bit slow at first. But today is also the wedding of Harry and Meghan, and I woke up early. Not on purpose. I think it's just my body clock still.
Right turn ahead. President Barack Obama Parkway.
Wait, I don't know if I should be in this lane. Darn it. I've got to go over. I woke up early, got on my laptop, and I ended up watching it. I watched it from when she was walking down the aisle with Charles, which was wow. I didn't know that was the plan. But I suppose her dad's not well. He's in, I think, Mexico, so he couldn't give her away. But it was a lovely wedding. I'm going to put in a few little clips of my reactions and things.
Source. We were made by a power of love, and our lives were meant and are meant to be lived in that love. That's why we are here. Ultimately, the source of love is God himself, the source of all of our lives. There's an old medieval poem that says, where true love is found, God himself is there.
Amen.
The New Testament says it this way, beloved, let us love one another, because love is of God, and those who love are born of God and know God. Those who do not love do not know God. Why? For God is love. There's power in love. There's power in love to help and heal when nothing else can. There's power in love to lift up and liberate when nothing else will. There's power in love to show us the way to live. Set me as a seal on your heart.
The choir, everything, it was just beautiful. And I was saying to Nikima, we were talking after, like, sharing our opinion and stuff, and oh, let me go over, don't be mean. So mean, people, so mean. That people were complaining that his message was 13
After 1/4
minutes.
mile, turn right.
13 minutes.
Then stay in the right
We
lane.
needed an hour of him talking about love and about how powerful love is and about how if we had more love in the world would be a different place. Like, he wasn't talking about just them as a married couple, but them
Turn
as
right. President Barack Obama Parkway.
as people that are bringing love into the world, and that we need more of it. And people were saying it was too long. Nah, bruv, you don't understand the power of love, clearly, because you would want to hear more of it if you understood the power of love. If you wanted more love in
Right
your
turn
life.
ahead. LB McLeod Road.
So, yeah, I think it was amazing. I saw her touch on things and just her heart, the dress, the trail, the music. Her mum was just graceful. And I think those
After
things
1/4
matter.
mile, bear right.
But yeah, I think that was nice. Like I said, I wasn't going to watch it, but it just so happens that, why are you so slow? Are you kidding me? Gosh. It just so happens that I put up my laptop
After
and the live...
250 feet, you have reached your destination on your left.
The live was there. CrossFit. Am I in the right... No, let me turn in here. And the live was there on the YouTube homepage, so I'm grateful for that. Because otherwise I would have missed it. And then I finished watching it and I started getting ready to come to the fashion show dress rehearsal. And yeah, it was lovely. People were even talking about how she waves. Do you know what? She does not have to have a queen wave. Oh, where am I parking? I always drive past it. She doesn't have to have a queen wave. She's not a queen, she's herself. So, I say let her wave the way that she wants to wave. Me and my parking. It didn't squeak today. Woo! Let her wave the way she wants to wave, okay? If she wants to do that, then she can do that. If she wants to, then she can do that too. But anyway, I'm here. So I will speak to you guys when I finish. I've got so much more photos. So if you don't want to see the photos, you have to go to my photography page, Perfectly Captured Beauty Photography. Okay, I'll put the links in the description box and I'll put my logo on the screen now. But look at this rain. There was thunder, okay, and someone's car alarm went off. Like, no joke. I literally got wet, and because I just did my hair, I had to put my hood on. The lightning's no joke. This rain is no joke. Wow. Crazy, and I've got to go and do food shopping. I've been invited to go to events and stuff. Like, as I'm driving, I'm literally seeing that on the side of the car. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, my brakes are gonna be so hot! Oh my gosh. But the road is clear, so hopefully that helps the situation. Where am I going?
You're right.
Oh.
Turn ahead.
Basically, this is Florida. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to go on the highway, to be honest.
After 1/4 mile, turn right. Then take the freeway. I can't cope. It's really bad. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm drowning. And I can't help but scream. Like, I literally feel like I'm jumping into a pool doing a dive with the car. And I have to go on the highway. Why is the rain good? People calm down actually. Instead of them driving in and out of the lanes and not indicating, now they've got to be careful. So it has its bonuses. Why is this big old lorry in that lane? What on earth? Whoa! It's now gonna come in front of me. No! You're giving me all this flashback. Sure.
I'm not rushing. I love my life. I'm protected, but I'm not putting myself in danger. You go about your business. I never thought I'd be living on my fantasy. Oh, look at the traffic. Why are you rushing? Why are you rushing? It's pouring down with rain. This is the heaviest rain I've seen for a long time in Florida, apart from when they probably had the Maria, and they're rushing. What for? I'd rather get to my destination safely, not quicker. Like, it makes no sense. Don't rush. The car spun around. Lord Jesus. Oh, it makes me so mad though. And then he's got his daughter in the car. Like, are you stupid? Oh my gosh. Oh. God. I'm glad they're safe. The bonnet, the bumpers come off. Where am I going? Where am I going? Ocoee. Should I go to Ocoee? No, I feel like I just want to go home. I was gonna go to Ocoee and start doing part of my food shopping because I was gonna get like fish and stuff in bulk, but I think I'll do it on Monday. I just wanna go home. Like, safety first, safety above all things. Oh my gosh. That is my kind of thing. At the moment, I can't even tell what car that is, but all I know is it says aspire to inspire. I think I can hear its engine as well because it's got 4 exhaust pipes. Get it? Oh, why? Why? Goodness sake, you're so stupid. Gosh. I hate people. That's why I'm going home. That's why I'm going home. Goodness sake. How can you turn right and then change your mind about turning right and come back into our lane and make us all have to brake suddenly? Our brakes are still wet, for goodness sake. Oh, yeah, I'm going home. Gosh. People drive me crazy. Sure. Okay, I need the music to calm me down because my nerves, man. People just, oh. Don't get too caught up in what you see on the gram, IG, cause that's just who I am. So, I decided to come to Walmart real quick because I had to get some food and I don't want to come out after church tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm just getting a few things and then I'll get the fishing stuff when I go back to Orlando because I was not doing it in that rain. No way. Too risky. People are crazy. Right, so I love lentils. If you saw my birthday video and you saw the one where I showed you what I ate that day, you would have seen everything that I ate, including my lentil rice. I'm trying to find lentils because they're so good for you. They're high in folate and so much other things. If I can't find them, I'm going to be disappointed. They have pinto beans, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas. I asked some ladies and they told me to look in the rice section because they've of course seen it in the dried bags. So this is what I'm gonna have to have. And then I'll just soak them overnight. Or they have these ones. They're pretty similar. What is this? 440, 400 and... How is this more? How is this one more? I calculate stuff because I want to get my money's worth. This is 454 grams. This is 440 grams. This is 198. That's 150. Okay, so I'm going to go over this one then. Get my money's worth. Just look at the hair section in Walmart. And they have elastic bands. So all along I could have just come to Walmart. But I'm going to Sally's. Sure. Anyway, I need to get a new shower cap. So I can steam my hair real good. Even though I just washed it on. I'm so happy to have it back. I missed my hair. Alright, I've got to go back home. I'm tired now. It's been a long day. They're already talking about her being pregnant. Jeez.
This one goes out to my girl. That's me. Boy, you gotta hold those happy feet. To the big double point and the girl them that dance. Get ready to be that dance. Bring it up and that dance. Yeah, rock out and that dance. Swing it, dance, wind down low and bring it. Mr. DJ, run it up, spin it. I make the girl them dance and sing it. You feel that girl them bounce and win it. And if you can't bounce, I'm gonna bring it. I guess you see how the way she a flip it. And when she wind down low and dip it, when she a rip it. I know I've done so many wrong things in the past, yeah. So what we have is everlasting. Yes, it is, girl. I don't wanna bring those old memories back, no. I just wanna love again. Oh, oh.
Can you tell I love that song? I just love soca, the vibes, the energy, the. Anyway, I'm retiring for the night. I'm not cooking nothing. I will have toast and fruit and something. I'm not cooking. Tomorrow is Sunday. I have to cook all over again. So I'm not cooking. I've done the fashion show today and all the photos I've got to edit actually and put them on my Facebook page because they always want to see them immediately. I have gone shopping. I've driven in that weather. Like, I just want to chill now. I'll find something on Netflix to watch. Yeah, man, I'm not cooking. I'm not doing any more physical stuff. I've got to edit. But anyway, thank you so much. Oh, I'm on the grass. Oh gosh, I'm on the grass. Oh Lord Jesus, I was on the grass. Lord, the tire must be full of grass and mud. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, it's been quite a day. It's been quite a Saturday. But regardless, it's been a good day because I'm still alive. I'm still kicking. I'm still singing and dancing. So, I am light. Oh, I am light. My new t-shirt collection. Okay? We need to proclaim that we are royalty, that we are unique, that we are special, like diamonds, okay? So, I will put the promo photo in the clip in a second. And I want you to go over to my Big Cartel store and order your t-shirts, okay? For family, for friends, for birthday presents, for yourself, for your children, for your mum and dad. Because mum and dads are kings and queens. And that's why you're a princess and a king and a queen and da-da-da-da. You are royalty, okay? And my books, like, I have received so much good feedback about my books, the Faith and Inspiration series, but also Measures of Purpose in Life. So support your girl, okay? And if you are a Google Play reader, then they are available for pre-order on Google Play until the 1st of June. Then they'll be officially available, but right now they're on Amazon, on Kindle. You can order them on my website, Kayisha Online, but right now until the 1st of June they are available for pre-order on Google Play. And I feel good, okay? They're getting out there, people are reading them, I'm getting feedback, and I love it. But yeah, support your girl. I enjoy being able to uplift you, inspire you, and guide you, you know, because Measures of Purpose in Life is a guide to finding your treasure within. And I've given you examples of my life and true stories, so hopefully you will get your copy, okay, and find your purpose, live in your purpose, know what your destiny is, and be able to bless people as you live a successful life. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, okay, comment, and have a good day, hopefully a dry day, a warm day, a wonderful day, wherever you are, from SophisticatedK.